Good morning, students. Apparently Canvas isn't working well today, so I decided to go ahead and explore some other options for today's assignment. So if you'll notice, I'm on this website called piscolapp.com. This is what we're going to be using to create our computer animation. So you've already done a stop motion animation. You've investigated different ways that you can animate using different mediums or different materials. And so today you're going to start to look at creating a computer-generated animation. Now, Piskel is really cool because it's completely free. If you have done anything with me in creative coding, this is going to be really, really familiar to you because code.org has an animator that is almost the same as this one. And so, I strongly recommend that when you come here, instead of just getting started creating a sprite, you instead actually log in. So you can use your Google login through Granite SD. So I'm just going to go ahead and select my Granite SD login. And you can see it has my profile. It has something that I've already made before, a little demonstration that I did a couple years ago when I was modeling this for another class. So you, of course, won't have a gallery if you've never been on Piskel before. You might have already been on Piskel, might already have a gallery. But what I want you to do for today's assignment is kind of just explore and look at what are some of the possibilities of things that you could draw. And so you're going to click on Create Sprite once you get here. And so then this is your canvas that you have. So I'm just zooming in and out here so that you can see how big it is. You can make the canvas bigger by resizing. So let me move this window here just a little bit. Apparently I need to make this bigger for the next recording. So you can resize the canvas here to make a bigger area. Right now it's only 32 by 32 pixels, but you can make it bigger. It depends on your plans and what it is that you want to do. If you want something really simple like a retro video game 8-bit type animation, then you don't really need that much space on your canvas. If you want to make something a little more complex and something that looks really, really cool, then you can, of course, make this bigger. So I'm going to make mine 100 by 100 here. So you can see that really gives me a lot more room as I'm going to be able to be animating. This right here is kind of the preview frame where you're going to be able to see what it is that you're going to be creating. So animations, as you guys have been learning, it's about a bunch of different pictures being shown really rapidly in succession. And so in order to do that, you have to draw all of those pictures. But with Piskel, you can create a picture and then you just copy it and then slightly change it on the next frame. So, for example, the one that you saw with my little ball moving across the screen. So, if I want to draw just a simple circle, and we'll make it kind of a different color here. So, we'll make it like an orange color. So here's my nice little circle, and then I can fill in that circle using the paint bucket tool. And so then if I want to have just this move across the screen, then what I would do is add a new frame. Actually, no, I would copy. So I would duplicate the frame. So I have the two circles, and then on this one, I would take and just select that circle like so, and I would move. Oh, hold on. There we go. Oh, this is what I want. The move tool. Sorry. So I'd take it and I'd move it just a little bit to the side. And so you can see it's just slightly moving and it's looping back and forth. And so it looks like it's just kind of wiggling. If I wanted to move even further, then I would duplicate the frame again, take my move tool and move it just a little bit more to the right. And so you can see now it's moving a little bit more. And so what I wanted you to do today for the first part of this is just draw a scene. draw a picture. Don't worry about animating anything yet. I want you to just kind of get an idea as to what you can do and what's possible with drawing and Piskel and figuring things out. So with the end in mind, the end is that you're going to have to make a scene that you're going to animate, and I'm going to want to see several different elements of your scene being animated, and that you're using principles of animation. But for today's assignment, all I want you to do is just get into Piskel, start up the app, and sign in, and then just start drawing a scene. The cool thing about Piskel is when you create your account, it will automatically save the stuff that you've done. So when you come back later and you go to My Gallery, you're going to be able to see the both of the things that you have. Actually, no. You have to actually save it. Sorry. So my little ball that I just made apparently got deleted. So we'll just draw another one here. And then right here it says save. And you can save to your gallery. You can save in your browser. You can save offline. So if I save to my gallery, then now I have that second one that I just started working on. So good idea for you. Learn from my mistakes. Actually, hold on. Maybe it's in my previous. There we go. It's in another window. So all of these opened up new windows. So all I got to do now is just click on save. I can save this as my orange ball. Hold on. There we go. Save this as orange ball. And I can save that to my gallery. And so now in my gallery, if I reload this page, I should have my orange ball, my new Piskel, and that other one. So save it to your gallery. Make sure you have your account. And just for today, I want you to just paint yourself a scene. You just use the drawing tools, familiarize yourself with how it works, and then we're going to work on actually animating that in future lessons. So good luck, and hopefully we'll get Canvas up and running soon.